Hi friends, Suzanne here with the newest installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019, and now we've completed our third event. Even with all the restrictions and safety rules we had to follow, this event was a huge success. My friend and fellow demonstrator Terry from Card Designs by Terry helped me once again, where we split the work and brought together local crafters from around BC for this super popular catered first class event. If you're interested in attending the next Lake House event in June, please fill out the form on my blog, sunstampin.com, or in the description of this video. In the mini-series, I am sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some supplies are from the January to February celebration catalog, so if you're trying to recreate, you may have to substitute. Hello, dear friends. Here we are with card number 11. We only have 2 card designs left to go, and then the January 2022 Lake House event will be complete. For this card design, I used the amazing Thanks dies. And in case you're wondering, yes, it's carrying over to the next catalog. I checked just to make sure. So what I found was integral with this card design was my Take Your Pick tool. Here I'm using some adhesive sheet, and I have a little bit of a basic white sheet there as well. And I'm just going to, basically I'm making stickers. That is usually how I work with these word dies. I forgot what I was saying there. All right, so you can see what I did. I put the adhesive sheet, or my card stock, in the adhesive sheet. Now I'm burnishing down that adhesive sheet. I'm bringing in my dies, and I am choosing Amazing and U and R. So I am making the actual scripty word. So I'm making a sticker of the scripty words. And then I will be making the shadow for those scripty words. This is an amazing die set. I quite enjoy word dies like this. I'm using Highland Heather for the shadow. And this is my mini cut and emboss machine, and it is so cute, and it fits directly on my desk so I can share with you what I'm die cutting. I have a small area to work in. I don't know if anyone of you have seen my work area, but it's a corner of my living room, and it is very, very small. So I don't tend to bring the big Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine on my desk. The little one, though, fits. All right, so I designed this for Valentine's Day. So here is the Sweet Talk Designer Series paper, quite like these hearts, gotta say. And I backed that with a piece of gray granite. And then I'm putting that on a card base of, I think it's petal pink. Why can I not remember things? I have to start taking my vitamins more regularly. So anyway, that's my card base. So here is, again, where I used my Take Your Pick tool. Not only did I use it to help me with the adhesive sheet when I was first getting going, but now it's helping me peel off the release paper for the adhesive sheet on these word dies. So I'm doing them all at once. And I will say that if you don't have a Take Your Pick tool, it is really handy. You may want to invest in it, even if you're just not a very avid crafter, you're sort of just a casual crafter, that the tool will be the same for everybody. It is extremely handy. So here I'm using it again to sort of wrangle the letters. So the scripty word in white, I am positioning it on the shadow correctly. And I don't think I could have done this with just my fingertips or my fingernails. This is a very helpful tool. It helps to peel things up and then tug them into place. I would say it was crucial to this card design. So as you can see here, I'm still sort of wrangling things into place. One of the nice things is, I don't know if you have big fingers like me, we can move the die cut out of the way with the take your pick tool, and then it's almost like a third hand. So I cut this part out of the video, but I did put a ton of dimensionals and mini dimensionals on the back of these dies. I did use my take your pick tool for placement. I will say that. I think that I'm like a broken record for the take your pick tool. Just, you know, I'm not lying to you. It's a good thing. So I was going to do my words cattywampus, and I decided not to. Decided to go straight and narrow for this card. And the sentiment, it says, "You are amazing." And I cover those scripty words and shadow with Wink of Stella. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.